Hello travelers, welcome to another episode on the Travel Hunt. On this episode we'll be in Winston-Salem, North Carolina.
Yeah, so this time we stayed at the Embassy Suites located in downtown Winston-Salem.
Parking at this hotel was kind of expensive. I believe it was about $20 or $30 per day, and we shared the garage with the hotel across the street, as well as restaurants and local stores nearby. To the right here is a walkway to the other hotel. I believe it was the Marriott.
We really like that you had to use your key card to get into this area of the hotel. And once we got through the doors, we really enjoyed this little seating area. We found that it was very nice for maybe reading a book, having a small meeting, or even eating breakfast.
And speaking of breakfast, down these stairs is where the lobby and the breakfast buffet was set up every morning. And they also had hostess there to verify what room you were in. They were guarding it like it was steak and lobster every morning. The host asked us again while we were in line what our room number was.
Now, we liked that the parking garage was attached to the hotel where we could walk right in to the same floor as our room. But this hallway, after a long day with heels on, it was not for the weak. Now that we finally made it to the room, let's check it out.
Now, we liked that this room was really big, real spacious. It had a mini fridge, it had a sink, a microwave, and even a separate living room area off from the bedroom. Now here's the room, just a standard king size room. The view outside was okay, just a regular street view. What we found out about this hotel, they did say newly renovated online, and it seems like the lobby and the common areas are newly renovated. However, the rooms could use a little bit more updates.
Now we have to talk about the bathroom. This tub would not drain. It stayed clogged up our entire trip. We finally got maintenance after a long time, and there were boot prints everywhere, and the tub still would not drain. So all in all, for our experience, we probably would not be back at this hotel.